Best deals.
1. Slicer. The unique design of this kitchen tool prioritizes safety by keeping your hands away from the built-in blades. Enjoy expert slicing without the risk, making it the safest choice for your kitchen. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Mop. No more back pain with adjustable long handle mop stick. No need to bend to use Galler PVA mop. With adjustable steel mop stick you can use it easily without bending and avoid back pain. The super absorbent polyvinyl acetate sponge head cleans gently without scratching. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Dosa Tawa. Lightweight build makes everyday cooking effortless, easy to lift, maneuver and pour. Ideal for daily meals, quick dosa, chapati or stir-fry sessions without wrist fatigue. Perfect for everyday kitchens, features a hexagonal honeycomb surface that prevents sticking, spreads heat evenly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Ice cube tray. Create 33 perfectly round ice balls at a time. Rinse the ice cube mold under the tap, fill water until the mark, cover with the lid, and push out excess water. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Dish drying mat. Expertly crafted from flexible silicone, this durable mat is heat and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting strength for everyday kitchen use. Keep your sink area clean and visually appealing. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Organizer. The 3-tier bathroom countertop organizers and storage stand is made of high-quality metal, which can withstand heavy loads and maintain stability. The shelf is sturdy to use and easy to clean, rust-proof and waterproof, no need to install and freestanding. Designed with a central 360 degrees universal roller layer, the staired shelf bathroom countertop organizer allows smooth movement and effortless turning, making things well organized and orderly stored. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Soap dispenser. Effortlessly dispense the right amount of liquid soap directly from the handle, saving time and reducing waste while cleaning dishes, utensils, or kitchen sinks. Perfect for washing dishes, pots, pans, tiles, gas stoves, sinks, and kitchen slabs, your all-in-one cleaning companion for spotless results. Made from high-quality, non-toxic plastic with soft yet sturdy nylon bristles that remove tough grease and grime without scratching surfaces. Comes with a detachable holder base that keeps your brush upright, prevents leakage. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Chopping board. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly teak for long-lasting performance and natural beauty in the kitchen. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Eco-friendly wooden kitchen tool with natural resistance to stains. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Silicone trivets. A heat protection and insulated as a protector for countertop, table, stove or others. Heat-resistant temperature from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, safe for use in the oven, freezer, microwave and as a pot holder, trivet, jar opener, spoon rest or anywhere you need extra grip or extreme heat. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Container. Is specially designed to create a tight seal that blocks out moisture, pests, and external odors. Whether you are storing rice, flour, pulses, or other pantry staples, the anti-clockwise twist lid locks in freshness and prevents spoilage caused by damp air or humidity. Designed to hold up to 5 kilograms of rice, flour, pulses, grains, or other dry food items, this container offers ample storage for everyday use. It's the perfect solution for small to medium-sized families. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Rice spoon. Made from high-quality silicone and beech wood for durability and long-lasting use. Effortlessly scoops rice and other foods without sticking. Comfortable beech wood handle for a secure grip. Vertical standing design for easy storage and hygienic use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Chopper. Designed to simplify meal preparation, offering a reliable solution for effortless chopping, it's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Shoe Organizer. Features 12 separate compartments to neatly store and separate various types of footwear, from sneakers and flats to heels and loafers. No more cluttered closets or mixed up shoes. Keep your footwear clean, visible, and protected with a full-length zipper and see-through top. The dust-proof cover shields shoes from dirt and moisture while making it easy to locate your pair at a glance. Perfect for small spaces, the slim shoe organizer fits conveniently under most beds, wardrobes, or shelves. When not in use, simply fold it flat and stow it away, an ideal solution for apartments, dorms, or seasonal storage. Made from high-quality non-woven fabric, this shoe storage bag offers excellent breathability and strength. The reinforced handles and seams ensure long-lasting use without tearing or sagging over time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Ice Crusher. Creates delicious shaved ice, snow cone cups, slushies, cocktails, and more. Sharp blades shave with precision for fluffier frozen treats. Just add ice. The snow cone maker and frozen drink machine is lightweight and compact for easy storage. It's also easy to disassemble for a no-mess cleanup. High-quality ABS plastic body ensures sturdiness. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tea Infuser. Feature a fine mesh design. They can be conveniently hung on the edge of the cup and stay firmly in place. The mesh is evenly distributed with precisely sized small holes. This allows water to flow through the tea effectively while preventing tea leaves from overflowing. It results in a better tasting cup of tea. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Remote Holder. Has a suitable size and a unique appearance, designed to provide a safe and protective base for your mobile phone when charging, and you don't need to hold your mobile phone to watch videos. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Measuring Cup. Nest is the ultimate collection of practical, space-saving kitchenware that allows the individual elements within each set to be stacked and snapped securely together for easy, compact storage in your kitchen drawer. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Paniyaram Pan. Perfect for making up, paniyaram, egg and cheese balls, chocolate walnut muffins, spicy veg Manchurian and many more. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, will not rust with regular care. It's rough and tough so can use metal ladles while cooking, and cleaning is a easy task. 8 cups each having a volume of 25 milliliters. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Casserole. Features a durable, rust-resistant stainless steel inner surface with advanced double-walled PU insulation for exceptional thermal retention. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Cleaning Brush. Effortlessly dispense the right amount of liquid soap directly from the handle. Product link is given in the 20th link.